Welcome to AVUXI. We are going to show you how simple it is to start creating location context projects. First, click Get Started. You have a monthly free tier that allows you to start for free. Just add the credit card details to get verified as a validated user. Before choosing an AVUXI TopPlace product, first you need to create a project. Then add the domains of your sites. Make sure your project and scripts are enabled. Within the project you can set up and configure your product scripts. Then the products will be ready to use. You can create as many projects and scripts as you need. In Analytics, you will see the usage of your TopPlace location products. Click Help and Support for more detailed information about the dashboard and TopPlace products. In the dashboard you will also find everything you need to complete the setup of your account and work in collaboration with your team. You will see all your invoices, and you can easily change your payment method, manage your subscriptions, or change your password. Thanks for using TopPlace by AVUXI.